What is the meaning of 5-6? The term 5-6 was coined somewhere around the 1980s in the Philippines because the credit system in the Philippines was very poor at that time. The Filipinos couldn't get any loans informally. So, they started to result from borrowing monies from the Punjabi fellow men. These Indians devised a system wherein they could borrow them money and collect from them on a daily basis. But as time passed by, the financial system of the Philippines started to improve, and the Filipinos also started to demand for better rates. Now, coming forward to almost 35 years, the rate of 5-6 is not anymore that high. Because like any other business, the 5-6 business has gone through several changes and modifications. Now the going rate is currently at 5% per month. Meaning, if you borrow 5,000, you usually return 6,000 pesos after 100 to 120 days. But the rates are even lower whenever you borrow a bigger amount. Example, if you borrow 60,000, you have to return 72,000. So normally the Indians, they allow 100 to 120 days. This is because due to the stiff competition that has been attacking 5-6 this past few years. The bank is charging only 6.5% for a housing loan and 8.5% per annum for a car loan. Credit cards are charging 1.75% for a monthly loan with them. But mind you, this 1.75% comes with penalties and late charges as well. With the Indians, the rate may be 20% for around 100 to 120 days. But the payment usually exceeds much more longer. It could even exceed 140 days, 150 days. But the Indians, they never charge any penalties. Now, just like any other business, we Indians will not deny that we have made money in this business. And we would like to continue. But, just like any other businesses, they have also made money due to their hard work and perseverance. We would like to support the Philippine economy. We are willing to reduce our interest rates. We can even come down to 4 to 3%. We do not take any collateral, we do not charge any penalty, we never do anything to the Filipinos. Unlike the banks, they can be a bit harsh. We do not do that, and we would also not like to compare ourselves with them because we are only small businessmen. Now, since President Duterte has been trying to make a change, we are also willing to collaborate. We have come to this country to promote the economic system and as well to seek a better life for ourselves. And we have also been adopted to this country, just like many other foreigners like Chinese, Japanese, Americans. We also love the Philippines a lot. So we are hoping that this video gets spread because we Indians are willing to reduce our rates from 5% to even lower. We are willing to collaborate. We are willing to pay taxes. We are willing to issue receipts to our customers. We are even willing to change our system. If the customers are willing to pay on a weekly basis, why not? We only go there on a daily basis because they always have the money got spent. But I guess the biggest problem now is that we don't have any stable microfinancing system yet in Manila. Unlike in the other countries like Nigeria and all, in the South American countries, they already have a stable microfinancing system, unlike Manila. So, we are willing to reduce our rates. We are willing to collaborate. We are willing to collect peacefully like how we used to. We will not be charging any penalties. Just give us time. And I guarantee you that whatever business we do establish, it will definitely support the economic system of the Philippines. We wouldn't want to defer ourselves much from the rate of the bank. We would like to go inside. That way the Filipino people also have an opportunity. Even the informal people, they also get their chance to be able to borrow money and seek credit whether it is from Indians, cooperatives, or bank institutions, just for them to get what they want, and we also receive a small profit. Just like any other business, we will provide a service, the proper and justifiable service. We will also try to make a living, and we will also try to remit more taxes to the government so the government can also improve this country. So, in line with this, all of us could have a much more better life. We will collaborate, we will follow the orders of the government, which is to pay taxes, to get registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and to reduce the rates to make it competitive with 2016 market. Thank you very much.